does perfect even mean?
Hey guys, it's Princy and this is my very first video, so I just hope you like it and love me, support me through my journey. So in this video I'm gonna show you 3 last minute outfit ideas for a contemporary theme party which you can easily pick from your wardrobe by mixing up Indian and Western clothes. And yes guys, happy Diwali to you and your family. Have a safe Diwali. So for the looks you're gonna need few basics such as a little black dress, which all of us already have, a turtleneck crop top or a normal length crop top would also make the job done. Mine is a little longer, so I tried to fold it later on. And yes, we all have a white shirt. It doesn't have to be stylish, but it has to be clean. Come on, you don't want to wear a dirty shirt to a party, right? A black palazzo pants or a bell-bottom pants. I have this really simple cotton red skirt which is long and flary. I picked up a bandhani sari from my mom's closet to give it a little ethnic touch. And a fancy dupatta which I really love. So for the first look, I mixed up a short black dress with a palazzo and added a dupatta. I love how bright it looks. Also, it is giving that sharara look, which is looking so pretty and good. And trust me, nobody could ever tell that you're wearing a dress underneath. For the second look, which is a little contemporary, I draped a sari on a palazzo and wore a turtleneck as a blouse. And yes, let me know in the comment below if you want me to do a tutorial on this makeup look. Lastly, a Banjaran look, a white shirt paired with a long red skirt. I wore some oxidized jewelry which I bought from Janpat. So that's it for today. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite look. Thank you for watching.